Welcome back to Algo Traders Program ATP from Market Secrets. This is episode 18 of the series, and in this episode we are going to learn about automatic end of the day data collection. So let's go into today's session. To perform any trading, data is very critical. In addition to live data we get from the market, we generally need some previous day's data to perform our trading. For example, we might need previous day's open price, we might need previous day's high or previous day's low to set targets or stop loss for our trades today. So previous day's data, that is open, high, low and close data, is very critical for any trading, and this is just an example. There are a lot of other data, previous days pivot points we might need, or previous day RSI or any other data we might need. So based on your trading strategy, we might need different end of day data or different previous days data for our trading today. So for ATP or the Algo Traders Program, in addition to automatic trading, we have automated data collection as well. So any data that we need to perform trading today will be automatically collected as and when necessary. For example, for ATP, we definitely need some end of the day data, and we have automated this data collection. That is, the ATP bot will automatically collect the necessary data at the end of the day after the market closes or before the market opens every day. So this will avoid any manual work. So you don't have to download or collect or pull or feed any data into the system or this bot or this platform manually. Everything is done by the bot automatically. So this also avoids errors in collecting data, and it also saves some time that is spent on this data collection on a daily basis. So this is one of the critical functions of our trading bot, because without previous day's data we may not be able to do trading today. So we actually cannot do the trading today. So this eliminates our daily data collection job. This our trading bot will automatically collect any data it needs to perform its work. So that's how it is configured. So it will avoid any manual data collection, and end-to-end the data collection that we need is completely automated. So with that, I'm closing today's session. We have a separate demo Telegram channel for everyone who is interested in our Algo Traders program. This is where our algo trades and results are published on a daily basis, and this is where we share our updates regarding ATP. Link to this channel is available in the description section. Please join if you're interested. Also, we are providing real-time live feed for our algo trades on a daily basis in our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get invitation for our live sessions. Stay tuned for this exciting journey. Have a great day. Goodbye.